This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Fusion key battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Look for a small slot on the side of your key fob. Insert the screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to separate the two halves of the casing. Be careful not to damage the internal components. This process is straightforward and saves you a trip to the dealership. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note which way the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing. This ensures you install the new battery correctly. Use your small screwdriver or even your fingernail to carefully lift the old CR2032 battery out of its compartment. It should pop out with minimal effort. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the holder, making sure the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly. Once the new battery is in place, align the two halves of your key fob casing. Gently press them together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely reassembled. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. After reassembly, it's crucial to test all the functions of your key fob. Check the lock, unlock, trunk release, and remote start buttons to confirm everything is working as expected. If any issues arise, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the casing is fully closed. This simple replacement can extend the life of your key fob for several years. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.